So today I'm going to be talking about this Alientabi 4-gallon battery backpack sprayer that I found and absolutely love. I've been using it now for the last 3 or 4 months and it's never let me down. Now, what I'm using it on is spraying pre and post treatment onto a driveway before pressure washing, and it does a fantastic job with the needs that I need to spray the application onto the driveways. Best thing about it is that it is battery operated. So you take your battery. On the battery, it shows if it has juice or not, which is also nice. All you need to do is just plug it into the bottom side of the battery and then plug that into a 110 volt, and that's how simple it is to charge. Usually it's charged within a couple of hours. Take the battery, slide it into place, close that to protect the battery, and that's it. You're good to go. On the right side, you're going to have 2 different modes. You could hear the pump being on, getting ready to spray. And it just means that it has 2 different speeds that you're able to apply whatever application that you are applying down onto either weeds, driveways, wherever you're going to be using this pump sprayer. Now, the top spot, untwist, comes with a strainer, so that way no debris falls into the tank itself. And again, on the side, you're going to have different levels to tell you how much is in the tank itself: 2.5 gallon, 4 gallon. So twist this back on, which does a tight seal and nothing releases out of it. The handle holds the wand. As you can see, comes with a nice beefy hose. The handle is comfortable for the hands. Long enough wand to reach down to the ground without bending over. Quick disconnect to change between multiple different nozzles that you need to use to spray the application onto what you're doing. And just place that back into the side compartment and then snap into place, and now the wand is not going to go anywhere. Now, having 4 gallons of liquid on your back could get potentially heavy. If we turn this around, you could see that the straps are well padded to make it as comfortable as possible. And then once the straps are on and the backpack is on your back, you're able to have a cross brace, which then connects to help distribute that weight when you are moving around. I'm completely satisfied with this product. It is my go-to product when using to spray applications onto driveways before and after pressure washing, and I've never had any issues. If you're going to be using it for anything like that, or spraying weeds or anything in between, you're going to be completely satisfied. So watch this in action. I'm going to show you a couple of clips with me applying the application onto the driveway so you can see how it works. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review and you're thinking about purchasing it yourself, because you won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy your new backpack sprayer.